what you did. I call it what you want to. I call it messing with her. She won't do this, she won't do that. She won't do nothing till she knows where it's at. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What you did. Call it what you want to. I call it messing with her. I go to Tolbert on a Wednesday night. She looking good, it's gonna feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Look at what you did. Call it what you want to. I call it messing with her. Come on, Tommy.
Tommy just rolled them all away. I know. I said this guy's a low tier. I've done it for 10 years. It's not better, but yeah. It's not him. Chris will call you or Chris will call you or yeah, he called me. He said, hey, I'm in now. And I said, okay, well, I didn't hear from you. His wife wants to go now. Let me talk to Jamie because he said he holds the tickets back. So I think there's going to be one for you, no problem. We'll be able to go.
It was a Sunday night. She looking
Hey, don't get me wrong, he's not bad. It's not bad. It's not that level.
what you did. Call it what you want to. I call it messing with her.
That's good. Big guy, baby. Tall guy. Big guy. What about him? Tall, taller than me. Big guy. Yeah, he's probably 6'4". What are you, 6'2"? Hey, Nugent. Hey, this is the height of his career. This is the height of his career.
So one time for Tolbert's for live music, y'all. I've known Tommy now and met him at the hole in the wall.
Yeah.
Texas Slim introduced him to me. He said, you gotta meet this guy, Tommy Katona, because the spirit of Stevie Ray Vaughan is in this man right here. Take my hat off to him. Let's talk to him, Tommy.
You're badass.
about this band, man. Steve and Travis.
I'm going to continue down low, everybody.